In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change organization name on Eventbrite. Let's get started with the first step. First, sign into your Eventbrite organizer account. Make sure you use the correct credentials to access your account. This is essential because only with the right login details can you proceed to make any changes. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Eventbrite dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the tools and settings you need. Next up, locate the left-hand menu on your screen. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options within Eventbrite. From this menu, select Organization Settings. This step is crucial as it takes you to the section where all organization-related details can be managed. It's like the control center for your organization on Eventbrite. Now, once you're in the organization settings, find the Basic Info section. Open this section to reveal all the fundamental details about your organization. This is where you can make necessary adjustments that reflect your organization's identity on Eventbrite. It's important because keeping your basic info updated ensures consistency and professionalism. With the Basic Info section open, focus on the organization name field. This is where you can edit your organization's name. Be sure to enter the new name accurately. A precise entry here is vital because this name represents your organization across all internal communications on Eventbrite. Double-check for any spelling errors to maintain a polished image. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. Click Save to ensure your new organization name is securely updated in the system. This makes sure your changes are saved, preventing any accidental loss of new information. Saving your changes is a simple yet crucial step in the process. Now, an important note to consider: you may need to be the organization owner or have the appropriate permissions to edit organization settings. Eventbrite has these restrictions in place to prevent unauthorized changes. It's a safeguard to ensure that only those with the right authority can make adjustments to organization details. If you find you can't make changes, check your permissions or contact the organization owner. Also, remember that the organization name itself does not appear on your event listings. This might surprise you, but attendees actually see the organizer profile attached to the event. If you want attendees to see a different organizer name, you may also need to update your organizer profile. This additional step is important because it directly impacts what your attendees see and helps maintain clarity and consistency. With that ready, you have successfully changed your organization name on Eventbrite. You've learned how to navigate the settings, make changes, and ensure everything is up to date. This knowledge empowers you to manage your Eventbrite account effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Eventbrite organization settings. Keep this process in mind for any future updates, and you'll have a seamless experience. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.